We made it to the Devil's Den. Such a weird name for such a beautiful place. We weren't gonna go because it had originally been raining the day before, but I called the Devil's Den and they said they were gonna be open. So here we are now. Oh!
That was on tape.
What?
For subscribers, hit me up. Follow me on Instagram at FrozeBoyle. Link in the description. If it's not in the description, I'll dislike all 4 videos from the next one.
You know who the down like is from.
It's gonna be from a bunch of people. I'm gonna get all my friends to dislike your videos unless I see that link in the description on this one video. Remember at FrozeBoyle, FROZEBOYO.
No!
It's good content. And I just got bit. I have this buzz in my ear.
There are no lockers, so make sure you leave anything that you wouldn't want to be stolen in your car. And make sure to bring an extra change of clothes. Nature here is so beautiful. Why don't you ask Alvin? He's the one with all the bugs in his ears. I paid $15 for my entrance fee and $10 for my snorkeling gear. For more details, make sure you check out their website. I will leave the link down in the bio. I'm here at the Devil's Den and I just went in with my boyfriend and his brother and we had a great time. It's naturally formed. There's like crystal clear blue water. It was amazing. It was cold at first, but it gets warm. There's a turtle named Nelson, but we weren't able to see him. There's fishies and that's basically it. I mean, you see snorkelers like in there, but that's it.
So glad they're seeing the real you now.
TMZ.
Da, da, da.
Oh, I have gum. Warm gum.
Yeah, warm gum. I don't know why you had to. It's probably got like fungus on it.
Warm gum. The Devil's Den is an underground spring inside a dry cave. On cold winter mornings, you can see steam like smoke rising from the chimney opening. Thus, the early settlers gave the name Devil's Den. Alvin and his brothers start laughing at me because they think it's funny to say that there's a shark under the water. So I freak out and they start laughing at me. Well, guess what? There's karma. Well, this is payback. he watching that? Sorry, I was just trying to get creative. Traveling with Alvin is the best. He makes anything and everything fun.
He's like awkward.
So we just returned our gear and now we're heading out. Thank you so much for coming on this adventure with me, Alvin, and Adair. Make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos we have posted. See you soon!